What if I told you that in just 1 hour you could transform your reality? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because today we're diving into a profound yet often overlooked technique inspired by Neville Goddard, the master of manifestation. This isn't just another video about positive thinking or wishful dreaming. This is about tapping into the limitless power of your imagination to create real, tangible results, fast. Neville Goddard believed that imagination is not just a place for daydreams. It's the very force that shapes your life. Every major breakthrough, every success story, every invention started as an idea in someone's mind. But here's the twist. There's a specific way to use imagination that most people overlook. Today, you'll learn how to apply Neville's method to manifest your desires, whether it's success in your career, relationships, or personal growth. Many people try visualization but struggle to see results. Why? Because they focus on what they lack rather than stepping into the reality of their desire. Neville taught that reality doesn't happen to you. It happens through you. The secret is to live as if your wish has already been fulfilled, feeling the emotions of success before it even arrives. This shift in mindset is the key to unlocking rapid manifestation. Now let's break down this simple yet powerful process that can help you see results in as little as 1 hour. Define your desire clearly. Be specific about what you want. Clarity strengthens manifestation energy. Enter a deeply relaxed state. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and take deep breaths to calm your mind. Visualize the fulfilled desire. Imagine a scene that confirms your goal is already achieved. Make it vivid. Feel the emotion fully. Experience the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it's real right now. Release and trust. Let go of doubts, knowing that the universe is working in your favor. Still skeptical? Let's look at real people who have experienced incredible results using this technique. Sarah, a struggling entrepreneur, visualized receiving a major client order. Within an hour, she got an unexpected call from a new client. James, nervous about a job interview, imagined himself getting hired. Not only did the interview go well, but he was offered the job on the spot. Maria, a college student in need of money, visualized receiving the exact amount she needed. Just 45 minutes later, a forgotten debt was unexpectedly repaid to her. Many people struggle with staying focused, battling doubt, or feeling too attached to results. Here's how to overcome these obstacles. Struggling with focus? Practice mindfulness and start with short sessions. Doubting the process? Begin with small manifestations to build belief. Feeling impatient? Engage in activities that keep your mind at ease and trust the process. Manifestation is a skill that strengthens with practice. Don't expect instant results every time, but with consistency, you'll see remarkable changes. Make it a daily habit and watch your reality shift before your eyes. Now that you know the steps, don't just think about it, try it. Commit to the 1 hour method and experience the transformation for yourself. Let us know in the comments what you manifested. We'd love to celebrate your success with you. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Limitless Mindset for more powerful insights. Remember, the power to shape your reality is already within you. All you need is the belief to make it happen. See you in the next video.